Got a new product. Let's check it out. Hope I don't drop my. See, that's what I didn't want to happen. Okay, look at it. Crap. What do we have? We have this. The Kami Save Innovation for Life. Wow, this one is. Wow. This one feels really sturdy. Comes with a little control too. You basically go here and there you go. Now this could be for a camera, but what I like about this, it comes with 4 settings. If you see it right here, click up. There you go. Right here. Pretty long setting. Now, before I go through any of that, let's check this out. As you can see here, remote control, which is this little thing. Now, I'm going to show you this one. If you can notice, it has a little control here too. But it's basically the same thing, but this one looks way better than that one. You can see it has a camera. But this is the one I wanted it for. It's compatible with most cell phones and digital cameras. 5-section telescope stick, extended from 17.5 to 64, which you can see it has 4. The tripod, ideal for video recording or FaceTime with your family and friends. Selfie 6.1 allows you to take selfie group, which that's why the has this little camera. The wireless control. Now, honestly, I could feel it. The only issue is it has no grip. Now, it's supposed to be a selfie stick, right? But can you really hold this as a selfie stick? Like, you probably have to hold it up here just to have it as a selfie stick. But it does feel really good. I'll admit that. It's more like a stand that you could buy for your tablets and all that stuff. But it feels really good. So on this one, it only has a 1 click for 1 picture, I guess. Let's check this one out. Has the on and off. Yeah. Just 1 little click. Now let me show you the difference between this one and this one. This is from the one I'm using. Has a click too. Bluetooth as well. But I can connect it here. Well, this one, more likely I'm gonna have to hold it. I'm gonna show you the difference right now. You can see how tall it goes. It's really tall. Pretty good, huh? See the difference between this one and this one. This is what I meant. Like, this is really good. It feels really good. But this one it's meant for the hand. I could hold it from right here, extend it, and it fits in my palm of my hand. This one, I could barely fit. Now, this is good though. It feels really good. This one feels a little more, it's good brand too. It feels good in her hand. But I think I would use this more for filming from this point on than I would this, because this one is so wobbly. I can, like if you notice right now I was filming, it fell down. I won't have that issue with this one. So this feels really great. Forgot the name of the company. Here it is again. CamiSafe and Motivation for Life. It feels really good though. Peace out.